Hi guys, I'm Chica and welcome to this episode of Borrowed Delights. Today I'm teaming up with Ellen from Ellen's Homemade Delights for a Valentine's Day video collaboration. In this video I'm going to share with you guys how to make my brownie brittle, and Ellen is going to be sharing with you guys how to make her strawberry gooey butter cake. That sounds absolutely delicious. So be sure to head on over to her channel when you're done watching this video to see her recipe and show her some support. So to begin this recipe, we're going to place some sugar, a pinch of espresso powder, and melted butter into a bowl. And you're going to stir this together until well combined. Next, you're going to add in 1 egg and mix that in until combined, in addition to some vanilla extract. And as always, you guys can head on over to borrowdelights.com to get the exact written recipe for all the recipes on my channel, including this one. I will leave a link to my site in the description box below for you. And if you ever have any recipe questions or recipe requests, you can always direct message me on Instagram. Now you're going to go ahead and sift in your cocoa powder, flour, salt, and baking soda. Using a rubber spatula, you're going to stir everything together until combined. And don't be afraid, this batter is very thick. You're going to spread your batter onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, or you can use a silicone mat. And you'll want to spread your batter in an even layer. And I just want to take a moment to say welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when new recipes are posted. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So your brownie layer is going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, you'll want to let it cool completely before breaking it into bite-sized pieces. This brittle is so crisp and crunchy and super chocolatey. I hope you guys enjoy making this recipe for my brownie brittle. Again, be sure to head on over now to Ellen's channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and check out her strawberry gooey butter cake recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!